Watching your baby climb stairs for the first time is an exciting milestone, but it can also be a little nerve-wracking. Here are some essential tips to ensure a safe and smooth experience for both of you. First, prepare the environment. Install safety gates at the top and bottom of the stairs to prevent unsupervised access. Make sure the gates are securely mounted and cannot be easily pushed over. Next, introduce your baby to the stairs gradually. Sit with them on the bottom step and let them explore the texture and height. Encourage them to use their hands and knees to climb up, as this is the safest method for beginners. Always supervise your baby closely during this learning phase. Stay within arm's reach to provide support and guidance. If your baby seems hesitant or scared, offer reassurance and demonstrate how to climb safely. Teach your baby to descend the stairs safely too. Show them how to turn around and go down backward on their hands and knees. This technique helps prevent falls and builds confidence. Consider using stair mats or carpet to provide extra grip and cushioning. This can help prevent slips and soften any potential falls. Remember, patience is key. Every baby learns at their own pace, so celebrate small victories and encourage progress. If your baby struggles or seems uninterested, take a break and try again later. Consistent practice will help them gain the skills and confidence they need. Finally, always be prepared for the unexpected. Keep a first aid kit handy and know basic first aid procedures in case of minor accidents. With these tips, you can help your baby navigate this exciting new challenge safely and confidently. Enjoy watching them grow and conquer new heights.